What's up, you guys? This is Mr. Hamilton, Mr. Hamilton's Educational Grind Channel. I want to quickly go over your homework assignment for this week. Main one you're going to be doing. We're going to be doing something called rainbow editing. All right, we're going to be using this editing technique to point out key elements of an essay. So once we get to our essays on Thursday and Friday, that we know what those different elements mean and how they're supposed to look. All right. So first, we have our color codes, thesis and baby thesis. The thesis is in that introductory paragraph, and it identifies what you're going to be writing about, your three main points. The baby theses are theses are those points that you pointed out in your major thesis in the introduction that are the beginning topics of each body paragraph. The evidence, all those things that support those thesis elements and topics, and the arguments or slash explanation are those things that explain the evidence, right? So here we go. So in this first introductory paragraph, I'm going to identify those elements. So the thesis. Has your cell phone ever gone off in class during a test or when the teacher was teaching? All right. So that's the argument. That's an argument piece. It doesn't tell me exactly what we're writing about, so I'm going to highlight the same color. Mobile devices have been accessible all around the world for the past 10 years, but neither school officials nor legislators have yet come to a clear resolution on allowing students to use them at school. So this is an argument as well. That's definitely a part of the argument, that question as well. Highlight that. Got that little orange look. This led to more unsolved issues and debates concerning the use of cell phones. Cell phones were invented to be able to connect to families and friends in an instant across the world. Permitting students to have cell phones on school grounds, parents are able to call or text their children to see how they are doing in class and vice versa. So this will be evidence of the use of cell phones, right? How it's supposed to be used. Cell phones were invented to be able to connect to families. This is kind of like an argument slash evidence. So I'm gonna go with evidence. Allowing students to use their cell phones at school is beneficial, such that it provides instant communication. So this is the thesis right here, you guys. So communication and convenience. That's yellow. Personal safety, and can be a learning tool. These are the three things that our body paragraphs will be about: communication and convenience, personal safety, and it being a learning tool. So keep this in mind as we're going through it. I may do a second part two to this video, but this first one is just covering the different parts of an essay and different parts of our paragraphs. We use the introductory paragraph to identify the argument slash explanation, the evidence that was used in it, and also the three topics that are part of our thesis. So I appreciate you guys. Like, share, subscribe, get that homework done, get it turned in. Out.